Check out what we just got in right here at the Trading Post. 2015 Cadillac ATS 2.5 liter with the luxury package, leather, sunroof, remote start, backup camera, backup sensors, and we've got it Conover location. Just wanted to hop on here and give you a high definition video. It's got the chrome wheels, touch to lock. There's your remote starts, your touch to start, your big screen there, and look how clean. Bose stereo, memory seats, power seats, and it's absolutely clean. There's your sunroof on top. We'll look on the inside. Nicely equipped. It's here on my Conover location. We do all of our financing right here, guys. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the Trading Post. Also, buy here with confidence. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. 2015 Cadillac ATS. The high definition does it well. Look how clean. Again, tradingpostcars.com to apply. Click Get Approved Now. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. You're going to love this car. 2.5 liter, great on gas mileage. Call us today, 828-464-0600. Or again, apply online, tradingpostcars.com. You're going to love it here. You're going to love our Cadillac ATS. It's not going to last at this new internet special price, so don't delay. Here at the Trading Post Conover store.